When we're talking about a full arch replacement of teeth, either on the top or the bottom, this allows us to restore all your teeth with as few as 4 implants. It allows the palate to be open, which gives you more tongue space. It allows you to taste your food better. One of the questions that we get is, what is the difference between all on 4 or all on 6? Basically, it's just the amount of implants that are used or that we deem necessary to restore function. Determining the amount of implants necessary for the stability of the arch, I feel that the more implants, the better. If we feel that 6 is going to be necessary, but we're going to need to do some significant grafting, then I'll give them that option. We're going to accomplish what we need to do with 4 implants, then we choose 4 implants. So ultimately, if you're able to restore the missing teeth or the missing arch with implants, it's going to give you the best long-term prognosis for function, aesthetics, stability, and ultimately in restoring your confidence of having teeth that are secured.